Miranda, more to know, did never meddle with my thoughts. More to know, never meddle with my thought. Meddle means enter into. That is to think of. I never thought that there is more to know. When Prospero said that you do not know who you are, you do not know from where I am coming, and you know me as a ordinary father who is living in a cell, that is not, you know, much more things are there. Then she is saying, it never, I never thought that there is something more to know. She is surprised. Miranda is surprised to hear that there are many things which are not known to her and she needs to know much more. Prospero. It's time. It's time means it is time. I should inform thee further. Lend thy hand. Okay. That is two parts. First part is, it is time I should inform thee further. That is, it is time that you should know more. You should know more means you should know the complete story. You can write it down somewhere. To more, it is time I should inform thee further means I should inform you or tell you more. Tell you more means the entire story about her past and his past. Past of Miranda and the past of Prospero. Then it says, lend thy hand and pluck my magic garment from me. Lend thy hand means help me out. Help me out. And pluck my magic garment from me. So, stops there, lays down his robe, lie there, my art. Then he tells Miranda, wipe thou thine eyes, have comfort. The direful spectacle of the wreck which touches the very virtue of compassion in thee, I have with such provision in mine art, so safely ordered that there is no soul, no, not so much perdition as an hair wetted to any creature in the vessel, which thou heardest cry, which thou sawest sing. Sit down, for thou must now know further. So it's a little long. We'll break it into parts and see the meaning. First, he told Miranda that he has to tell her many more things, the entire story. Then he is telling her, lend thy hand. In the old, even now also, I think in the Hindi movies and all the other movies, local languages especially, when the hero comes home, he goes to office and comes back, and the wife will be at home. And when he comes inside, the wife has to come and help him out to remove his coat and suit. Sometimes to go to the extent of removing even the shoe and things. Very humiliating, but that's it. And when he goes to office, the wife has to come and give the coat, he'll put it on and go. So like that, that is out of love, of course. But if you are looking from the feminist point of view, it's a crime. It's ill treatment of women. But if you are looking at from the aspect of love, it's okay because they love each other and the wife wouldn't mind doing it. Fine. So similarly, Prospero loves his daughter so much. So he says, please come and help me out to take the robe out. Whenever the magicians perform magic, you must have attended some magic show. I don't know, in our school whether we had any other small children. If you haven't attended one magic show, you should attend. Very interesting. Magic shows are excellent for the students. Even grown-up people enjoy. For the children, you should attend some magic shows. Very nice. So when they perform magic, they put on a coat and they'll have a stick. And with that help, in home things, then a lot of things will be performed. So with the robe only he can perform the magic. Now he's asking Miranda, please take it off, help me to take it off. So she helps. So lays down his robe, So he is laying down the robe. He keeps the robe down and he says, lie there, my art. He is telling the robe. Don't get confused. He's not telling Miranda. He's telling the overcoat or the robe he's using. He's telling my robe, lie down there. He calls it my art. My art means my magic. Why does Prospero call the robe my magic? Because he's able to perform the magic with the help of the robe only. Without robe, he cannot perform. So my magic, please lie down there, okay, for some time. I will say goodbye to you. I'm going to spend some time with my daughter as a daddy, as a father. As father of Miranda, I'm going to spend some quality time with my daughter. So you be there. He tells the robe. Then he tells Miranda, wipe thou thine eyes. Miranda was crying. She was moved. It's not joking. She is really serious. I have suffered seeing the people who suffer. And she was crying. And the Prospero tells her, okay, now come on, wipe your ear, wipe your tears. Have comfort. The direful spectacle of the wreck. The direful spectacle of the wreck. Direful is dreadful. Dreadful is fearsome. The fearsome, that means a sight that frightens. Spectacle is sight. S-I-G-H-T, sight. So a fearful spectacle means a sight or a scene that frightens. So the frightening scene of the wreck, shipwreck, which touched the very virtue of compassion in thee. Virtue means the essence. Essence means the hardcore. What is inside? You have essence, human beings' essence. Every living being has got essence. So the essence of compassion in thee, just touch the core of your compassion. I have with such provision in mine art so safely ordered that there is no soul, no, not so much perdition as an hair betched to my any creature in the vessel, which thou heardest cry, which thou sawest sing. You have heard the cry of the people. You have heard the wind roaring. You have heard the great noise the storm made, the tempest made. You have seen the ship going down. You have seen the people dying. But don't worry, nothing has happened to any one of them. How is it that nothing happened? It's all done with my magic. I have with such provision in mine art so safely ordered. Such provision with foresightedness. With foresightedness, using my magic, I have arranged this kind of a commotion, this kind of a tempest and shipwreck. Actually, they are not affected. They are not affected. They are least affected. Nothing has happened to them. That there is no soul, no, not so much perdition. Perdition is a complete destruction. Perdition is complete destruction. There is no destruction. Destruction has not been done. As an hair bedsheet to any creature in the vessel. How much? Not even this much. Not even this much. You know how much is hair? Nothing has happened. All the passengers are safe. Don't worry. Bedsheet to any creature in the vessel, which thou heardest cry. You heard the people crying, and which thou sawest singing. Sit down, for thou must now know further. Please sit down, because you must know further. You must know more. That means you must know the complete story. Why did I do that? What made me to do that? You need to know that. I will tell you. Has anybody got any doubt? Just raise your hand. Just know what I explained. If you haven't understood, I'll explain again. If you understood, just raise your hand. Those who understand, okay. Okay. Those who not understand. Anushka, Divedi, okay. Let's see. Yes, Anushka.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, explain this like the very virtue of compassion
What is
in
that?
thee. I have with such provision in my. Sir, from the very virtue to the no further. Last
Very
one.
virtue. The very virtue of compassion in thee. Virtue means essence. What is essence of human being?
Sir,
What makes somebody human? What makes somebody an animal? What is the essence of human being?
sir, having emotions.
Very good.
feelings.
Harming emotions, feelings, compassion, things like that. That is the essence. So the very essence of the virtue, very virtue of compassion means the very essence of compassion in thee means what Prosper is trying to say that you are full of compassion. You are able to feel for the other. Tears were rolling down from your eyes because you have seen the shipwreck and the suffering of the people. So you are full of compassion. But you need not worry at all because nothing has happened. Everybody is safe. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, explain that whole paragraph.
The whole paragraph.
Yeah,
The whole
from
paragraph is saying that, see now are you aware that Miranda has witnessed the tempest and the sinking of the ship?
yes, sir.
Okay. She was, what was her attitude or what happened when she saw it?
Sir, she was deeply moved by the
She was
distress.
deeply moved, troubled, and she was feeling for them, and she wished that she could save them. She could not, and she is feeling bad. So that is her feeling. So now Prospero is telling her, I know your feelings. You need not be worried about that. You need not be moved so much because you are worried and you are making a complaint thinking that they all have been destroyed. But nothing has happened. How much? Not even this much, not even that of a hair. Nothing has happened. Everybody is safe. With my foresightedness means with a purpose that is coming up. Here, foresightedness means I'm able to see before what is happening. So I have a purpose in doing that. And how did I do? With the help of magic. I have done it with a purpose. That will be coming later. And how did I do? With the help of magic. So you have seen the ship going down and people drowning, but they are safe. You don't worry. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Anushka is over. Anybody else? Okay. Right. Then we will proceed. For thou must now know further. Please sit down. Please sit down. You don't worry. Nothing has happened. They are all safe. Please sit down. Now I will tell you more. Miranda, you have often begun to tell me what I am, but stopped and left me to a bootless inquisition, concluding, stay not at. So now Miranda is telling, when Prospero said that you need to know more, you need to know the complete story, then Miranda is telling him, begun to tell me, you have often begun to tell me. That means many times. Often means many a time. Many times you had started to tell me what I am. That is her past. But stopped. But he did not say. And left me to a bootless inquisition. Bootless means fruitless. Fruitless. Useless. Fruitless. Inquisition is questioning. Inquisitionist question. I have asked you many times, and you are about to say, but you never said. And you left me fruitless means you never answered me. I was left without any fruit means my asking did not bear any fruit. That means Prospero did not explain to her what happened to her or what was her past. Concluding, what did you used to tell me only one thing. What did he say? What did Prospero? Every time he tried to say the story, he did not proceed. What would Prospero tell Miranda? Stay, not yet. Stay means wait. Not yet means it is not a time. Father, I had been asking you many times, and you are about to tell me something more about me, but you never completed it. You always told me, stay, wait, not yet. It is not a time for saying. Prospero. The hour is now come. When Miranda complained to him, saying, often I have asked you, but you did not say. You asked me to wait. Then Prospero says, okay, now you need not wait. The hour is now come. The time has come now. This is the time for telling all about that happened to you in the past. The very minute bids thee, obey thine ear, obey and be attentive. The very minute means now, the present time. Now, it bids thee obey thine ear. Obey means open. Bids means request or to say. Bid somebody means ask somebody. Ask. So the very minute has come, the time has come that you open your ears and listen. I'm going to say the story. Then he, before starting the story, he wants to find out how much Miranda knows about her past. All of you joined the school in LKG, I suppose. Some of you must have gone to preschool, I do not know, but most of you must have joined LKG. How many of you remember many things that happened in LKG and UKG? Just raise your hand. Many things that happened in UKG, LKG. Those who remember, still, all the many events. Just raise your hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3 are there. Only 3 of you. 4, 5. Okay, good. 6. Okay, good. Okay, now put down your hand. How many of you remember the things that happened before coming to school? Say, when you were 3 years old, 2 years old, 3 years old. How many of you remember many things that happened when you were 2 years old and 3 years old? Just raise your hand. Not many hands are coming up. Yes. Of course, you are a little doubtful. You may remember certain things. 1 or 2 things you may remember, but not everything. Memory is like that. When we do the next story, Fritz, very beautiful. We'll be speaking about memory, how subtle it is. Excellent. So memory is like that. They keep coming. Sometimes they do not come. Certain things we remember, certain things we do not remember. Why? We do not know. There are people who remember with all clarity all that happened when they were 3 years old, 4 years, 5 years old. For me, my memory is very poor. Even up to primary section, what happened, very few things I remember. Up to primary section, my memory is very poor. There are some people who remember with all details, sometimes even with the dates. Memory is like that. So now, Prospero wanted to know how much Miranda knows about her past. He is asking her, canst thou remember a time before we came unto this cell? I do not think thou canst, for then thou wast not out 3 years old. So Prospero is asking a question to Miranda, and the answer also is given by Miranda. Sometimes our parents do that. They ask a question and they give the answer. We also. We ask a question and without allowing the other one to give the answer, we ourselves give the answer. So he asked, canst thou? Those who have difficulty, you write on the top. Canst thou means can you? Can you? Can you? Can you remember a time before we came unto this cell? Now we are living in this cell. Can you remember a time that is the past before coming into this cell? Can you remember anything? Then he is giving the answer also. Prospero, he says, I do not think thou canst. Thou canst means you can. I don't think that you can. Why? Because then means that time. That is before Miranda's coming into the cell or Prospero's coming into the cell. Then thou wast not out 3 years old. Out means totally. Totally means full. That means you were not even fully 3 years old. That means somewhere between 2 and 3. Understood, no? You were not even 3 years old. I don't know exactly how many years. Maybe 2.1, 2.3, 2.6, 2.8. No, we don't know. Anyway, you are not even 3 years old. Therefore, you cannot remember. I am sure that you don't remember anything. So Prospero asked the question and he himself gave the answer. Miranda. But Miranda is giving a counter answer saying, no, what you are saying is not correct. Certainly, sir, I can. Surely, I remember something. You are saying that I cannot remember. I remember something. Prospero, by what? He is surprised. By what means, what do you remember? Tell me, what do you remember? By any other house or person, you remember some house, some person, or anything, the image, tell me that. Or whatever image you remember. See, our memory is stored in images. You know now it's very easy. We are in the modern age. You know how memory is stored, or how you store all the pictures. They are all images. Images are stored. So, what are the images you remember? You remember some persons or things, some events, whatever it may be. Tell me. Hath kept with thy hath means has kept with thy remembrance means recollection. That means what are the things you are able to remember? When Miranda said that, the father, yes, I certainly remember something. Then Miranda Prospero is saying, okay, tell me, what are those images? Is it images of person or is some image of a house or whatever it may be? Please tell me. Miranda, it is far off. It is far off means no clarity. It is far off. Not so clear, Daddy. Not so clear. And rather like a dream than an assurance. Rather like a dream means more than a dream, than a fact. It's a hazy thing. H-A-Z-Y. Very hazy. Very hazy means, some images are blurred. Blurred images. You can't exactly make out whose picture it is. Image is there, but not so clear. Blurred, hazy. So, whatever I remember is not so clear, no clarity. They are more like a dream than fact. Memory is like that sometimes. That my remembrance warrant here is guarantees. Had I not 4 or 5 women once that tended me. So since it's not very clear, it's like a dream. She's asking, clarifying with Daddy, Father, had I not 4 or 5 women once that tended me. Tended means attended. Tended means attended to. Because somebody will be attending to means taking care of your need. Especially when you are from a rich family or from a royal family, there will be a lot of people to care for you. If you are from a very ordinary family, there will be nobody, hardly anybody. And the parents are working, you will just left without anybody. So Miranda is asking, had I not 4 or 5 women once that attended me? Had I not missed, didn't I have? Had I not missed, didn't I have? She's asking, clarifying. Didn't I have 4 or 5 women attended me? Prospero. Thou hadst means you had. And more, not 4 or 5, many more. You had and more, Miranda. But how is it that this lives in thy mind? That's why I said memory is like that. Why some things are remembered, some other things are not remembered? We do not know. So Prospero is surprised. He thought that Miranda would know nothing. Miranda would be remembering nothing of her past. And when he heard that she knows something, he was surprised, he was interested in knowing. When she heard that, she said that, didn't I have 4 or 5 women attending on me? Then he said, how is that you're remembering this thing? You're not remembering many other things. What seest thou else? What seest thou else means, what are the other things you're able to see, able to remember? Is there anything else? Come on, try. See, sometimes when you do not, as I said now, I don't remember anything from till 5th class, not many things I remember. But if I sit back and try to recall, just concentrate your mind and try to go back, closing your eyes, then many more events will come. So Prospero is saying, come on, recollect, try to get it. There may be many more things you know. Come on. What seest thou else in the dark backward and abysm of time? Abysm is coming from the abyss. Abysm, the word abysm is coming from abyss. Abyss is a deep pit. For example, we say the abyss. Abyss is meant by the sea. The sea, the depth of the sea is compared to abyss. How deep is the sea? Very deep. It has got so many mountains. So many mountains are there in the sea. So many ships are being just swallowed. What is the depth of the sea? We do not know. The abyss. So it is a deep chasm or a deep pit. So Prospero is or Shakespeare is comparing memory to that of a bottomless pit. Abyss is actually bottomless pit. A pit without a bottom. A pit without bottom means it is so deep. Very deep. How much deep? We do not know. So he is considering or comparing memory to that of a bottomless pit. So Prospero says, come on, try to recollect. There may be many more things that you are able to remember. Abysm of time means going back to the old days, the first memories. If thou rememberest, what art thou? If thou rememberest aught, ere thou camest here, how thou camest here, thou mayest. It's confusing, doesn't matter. It's simple. It's simple, I'll explain. They're using the old English, that's why the problem. If thou rememberest, you remember all that STs. If thou is you, if you remember, aught means anything about your life, before you came here, how thou camest here, thou mayest. I will write it. I'll write it. We write it down, otherwise it may not follow. If you are able to remember anything about your life before coming here, you will be able to remember how you came here. It's a simple logic, mathematical logic. So I'll just read. If you are able to remember anything about your life before coming here, that is in the cell, to this cell, you will be able to remember how you came here. What is first? They're coming to a cell, or her remembering about the people, women taking care of her. This is first. The women taking care of her is the first thing happened. Their coming to cell happened after that. So if she is able to remember something that happened in her life earlier, she must be able to remember how she came to the cell. Please note it down. So if you are able to remember anything about your life before coming here, that is the present cell, you will be able to remember how you came here. I think it's clear. Miranda, but that I do not. Daddy or father, that I do not remember. I remember only this one thing. That is 4 or 5 women taking care of me. How did we come here? What happened to us? I do not know. I don't remember.